Professor Schulplefort was a well-known and charismatic French physician. All his patients suffered from a deadly orphan disease named gastrotopic leukodystrophy, killing children before 15. There was no treatment for GL. One day, he made a massive discovery. When giving to them 30 pills of Dirproct, a drug usually used in hemorrhoid, they survived. Quality of life is greatly improved. It is a huge revolution in the scientific community. Professor Schulplefort now have a conviction to launch first treatment in GL and to improve patients' life. Schulplefort created CEBALO, the first drug maker engaged in GL treatment. Schwil was smart and worked hard thanks to his excellent hospital network, and 3 million euros funded by his mother-in-law. He started clinical trials and he recruited a board of experts. We're gonna have the ODS from May, and getting local reimbursement will be a piece of cake. After 3 years working hard, they finally submitted the ODS registration dossier to May.
While all signs pointed to a great and fruitful project, the worst scenario happened. We can count on nobody except ourselves. Schwil's mother-in-law has decided suddenly to stop all cooperation with him. Schwil, with no money, was obliged to fire all his team. Anyway, they didn't deserve to work on a project so amazing and with a boss so competent and creative. Schwil was literally alone, without resources, without competitive team, and with nobody help. He was at the bottom of his throat and thought of suicide more than one time. Professor Schulplefort involved the best team to finish the clinical trial and launch his product. Fortunately, Professor Schulplefort rebounded quickly enough to save the destiny of a company whose aim is to improve patient life from life-threatening diseases. A new team has been set up, motivated as ever. To our mind, patients are the center of everyone's work. Rare is a challenge that we'll gladly accept. At CEBALO, everyone for rare, everybody for patients. Every one of this team is going to work hard for this rare disease, and everybody is doing it for the patient. The motto of CEBALO became obvious. Everyone for rare, everybody for patients. Julie Muchler, CEO. Fluvio Capuano, Chief Medical Officer. Guillaume Boulard, Chief Financial Officer. Clément Bontin, Chief Operating Officer. Marion Gardin, Director of Industrial Partnership. Lucie Albinet, Regulatory Affairs Director. Lauriane Desplanches, Market Access Director. This team is going to succeed. This team is going to give hope to patients with gastrotopic leukodystrophy.